Hi YouTube, this is Caroline. I'm here with a makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you want to see how I did this look, please continue watching. Thank you.
First, I'm going to take a concealer brush with my Smashbox High Definition Concealer in medium dark, and I'm going to place that concealer from the top of my brow bone all the way to my lash line. Now I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup Loose powder, and I'm using that to set the concealer in place. Using the Jaclyn Hill MORPHE palette. Taking a large blending brush, I'm taking the color M.F.E.O, and I'm going to place that in the crease area. This color is close to my skin color, and it's a good transitioning color. Next, using the same brush, I'm taking Roxanne, and I'm using this color to deepen the crease area. And I'm just using a back and forth type motion to add this color to my lid. Next, taking a firm blending brush, I'm taking the color Jacz. This is a beautiful auburn cranberry color, and I'm using this color and I'm going to place it in my outer corners and the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just patting that color in there to intensify the corners. The Jaclyn Hill palette shadows are beautiful. There is some fallout, but they're so pigmented and so easy to use. Next, I'm just taking a large blending brush and I'm trying to make sure that there are no dark edges and making sure that everything is smooth. Next, I'm taking a large tapered brush and I'm taking the color Hunts and I'm going back in the crease area. This is like a burnt orange color. And again, I'm using the windshield wiper technique here. I'm going back in with M.F.E.O and I'm using that to blend out all the colors. Next, I'm going back in with Jacz to darken the outer and the inner corners again. I really want to intensify this color in the outer corner and the inner corners of my eye. The next color is Queen. It's a beautiful golden color, which I just love. And I'm using my finger just to place that color in the center of my eyelids. Taking a small pencil brush, I'm taking the color Chip, which is a dark brown color, and I'm just placing that in my outer V area. Going back in and just blending all the colors so that there are no rough edges. Next, I'm taking my MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish with just a large fluffy brush, and I'm using that to highlight my brow bone area. Going back in with the large blending brush, I'm just going to blend all those colors in. Just want to make sure that you blend. Next, I'm going to take my Smashbox Pore Minimizing, and I'm just going to prime the center of my face and my smile lines. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to place my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to control some of the oil that I've been having recently. Now I'm using the L'Oreal liquid liner in Carbon Black to line my upper eyelids. Here I'm just using L'Oreal's Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. This really thickens my lashes. My go-to favorite foundation is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am wearing Syracuse. And I'm using just my fingertips. It works so much better than using the beauty blender with this foundation. Next, I am going to do some color correcting with Eve Pearl Salmon Concealer. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Sand Tan. And I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender to blend all of the concealer out, going out to the edges of my face And immediately I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup Loose powder and set that area. Now I am going to use my Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish just to bronze my face, my forehead, cheekbones, under my chin. Taking the rest of the loose powder off. And now I want to tight line my eyes using Maybelline's gel liner. And I'm just dipping that gel liner with an Oud pencil liner. Going in with Soft and Gentle to brighten up my inner corners. And I'm going in with my MAC's Lovejoy as my blush today. And then I'm going to highlight again using my Soft and Gentle. Just the top of my cheeks and my nose. And finally, I'm going to spray my face with my MAC.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video. And then click the notifications button. Don't forget, this channel is about makeup tutorials, cleaning and organization, tips and tricks for your health journey. And overall, always to encourage you. Remember, you are beautiful despite what you put on your face. Until next time, bye.